Hello, housekeeping team. Today, we are going to introduce our range of Accredity lab chemicals, and we would like to take you on a tour to teach you the proper use of chemicals and the right way to get effective results. And please be informed, after this training, we will have our online exam test in order to get the Accredity lab certificates. First, let's go for the bathrooms. Now we will try GC1. GC1 is an acid-based bowl cleaner. So we would like to remind you that you need to always wear your protective equipment. How to use: dilution ratio 50 milliliters per liter or 2 pumps. 1. Flush the bowl twice. 2. Apply the GC1 in the rim bowl. 3. Wait for 3 to 5 minutes contact time. 4. After, clean the bowl using the brush. 5. Flush again 2 times. GC2 is a multi-purpose cleaner, disinfectant, and a perfumer at the same time. It can be used in the bathroom floors, walls, wash basin. It can also be used in the room, a rinse-free chemical. How to use: dilution ratio 40 milliliters per liter or 3 pumps. 1. Spray direct to the surfaces which you wanted to clean. 2. Wait for 1 minute contact time. 3. And after, wipe it with a clean microfiber cloth. For floor surfaces, use mop to apply it on the floor. No need to rinse after. GC3 is a glass cleaner. How to use: dilution ratio is 40 milliliters per liter or 2 pumps. 1. Apply direct to mirrors or glass. 2. Use wiper or microfiber to wipe the glass. GC4 is a furniture polish that will clean and polish wooden surfaces. How to use: ready to use. 1. Spray in the microfiber cloth. 2. Wipe it with a microfiber cloth. GC5, an air freshener that will sanitize and deodorize places. How to use: dilution ratio 50 milliliters per liter or 3 pumps. 1. Spray it 3 times direct to the AC, air conditioning in the rooms. Make sure that AC is on. 2. You can also spray it in lobbies and corridors. GC6, heavy-duty, acid-based rust and grout remover. How to use: dilution ratio 100 milliliters per liter or 5 pumps. 1. Apply to the surface where there is rust, grout, or fungus. 2. Keep 3 minutes contact time. 3. Brush it to remove the rust, grout, or fungus. 4. And after, rinse it properly. GC7, scouring cream. It removes hard stains, rust, grouting, and fungus. How to use: ready to use. 1. Apply direct to the surface where you want to remove any stain. 2. Use brush. 3. Rinse it after. GC8, stainless steel polish. How to use: ready to use. 1. Spray in the microfiber cloth. 2. Let the cloth absorb the steel polish. 3. And after, apply it to the steel surfaces. GC9, mopping liquid. How to use: dilution ratio 30 milliliters per liter or 2 pumps. 1. Apply direct to the floor using mop. 2. Rinse free. GC10, general purpose pine disinfectant. It will clean, disinfect, and deodorize. How to use: dilution ratio 50 milliliters per liter or 3 pumps. 1. Spray direct to the surface and leave it for 1 minute for the contact time. 2. Wipe it using microfiber cloth. 3. Use mop in floor. 4. Rinse free. GC11, bleach liquid. How to use: dilution ratio 50 milliliters per liter or 3 pumps. 1. Apply direct to the floor using mop. 2. Rinse. GC12, hand soap. How to use: ready to use. 1. Wash your hands using the 7 steps on how to properly wash the hands. 2. Rinse your hands after. GC13 Hand Sanitizer Gel. How to use. Ready to use. 1. Apply direct to your hand and rub it properly to make sure that hand is properly sanitized. GC14 Universal Degreaser can clean and remove greases, especially in parking area. How to use. Dilution ratio 60 milliliters per liter, or 3 pumps. 1. Apply to the surface where you want to clean and remove greases. 2. Wait for 3 minutes contact time. 3. For parking area, use scrubbing machine or ride-on machine to use this chemical. GC15 Wax Stripper, alkaline-based chemical that removes dirt in the floor, especially before doing crystallization. How to use. Dilution ratio 100 milliliters per liter, or 5 pumps. 1. Apply to the floor using scrubbing machine with red pad. 2. Rinse it after and make it dry. G16 Marble Powder Floor Crystallizer. How to use. Dilution ratio 1 kilogram per 200 milliliters water. 1. Do dusting first on the floor. 2. Apply the G16 using the scrubbing machine with a red or black pad. 3. Rinse after and make it dry. 4. Use scrubbing machine with steel wool pad for finale. KC1 Multi-purpose cleaner, used to clean kitchen floor and tables as well as walls. How to use. Dilution ratio 50 milliliters per liter, or 3 pumps. 1. For floors, use mop, it's rinse-free. 2. For walls and tables and other kitchen areas, use spray bottle. 3. Use microfiber cloth to wipe it, no need to rinse. KC2 Manual Dishwashing Liquid. How to use. Dilution ratio 20 milliliters per liter, or 1 pump. 1. Use to wash dishes. 2. Rinse properly after. KC3 Multi-Surface Sanitizer. How to use. Dilution ratio 40 milliliters per liter, or 2 pumps. 1. Spray direct to the surface you want to sanitize. 2. Keep it for 1 to 2 minutes. 3. Wipe it after with tissue with one direction only. 4. No need to rinse. KC4 Oven Cleaner. How to use. Ready to use. 1. Spray direct to the surface where you want to remove oil deposit. 2. Leave it for 3 minutes. 3. Wash it with soap using microfiber cloth. 4. Rinse it properly. 5. Make it dry after. KC5 Cold Degreaser. Good for the kitchen floor to remove hard oil deposits. How to use. Dilution ratio 100 milliliters per liter, or 5 pumps. 1. Use scrubbing machine for this chemical to make it more effective and fast. 2. Rinse it properly after. KC6 Chlorine-based fruits and vegetable wash. How to use. Dilution ratio 30 milliliters per liter, or 2 pumps. 1. For soft skin vegetable, soak it for 3 minutes. 2. For hard skin, soak it for 5 minutes. 3. Rinse it after or soak it in a clean water for 5 minutes to remove the chlorine smell. KC7 Antibacterial Hand Soap. How to use. Ready to use. 1. Wash your hands using the 7 steps on how to properly wash your hands. 2. Make sure to rinse properly. KC8 Antibacterial Hand Sanitizer with Moisturizer. How to use. Ready to use. 1. Apply directly to your hand carefully. Make sure that your hand will be totally sanitized before entering kitchen and after washing your hand by soap. KC9 Stainless Steel Polish. How to use. Ready to use. 1. Clean first the stainless steel surface before applying KC9. 2. Spray to the kitchen tissue. 3. And apply to the hoods and filters. KC10 Destainer Powder. Remove stains for chinawares and cutleries. How to use. Dilution ratio 200 milligrams per liter. 1. Put KC10 in hot water. 2. Soak all the chinawares and cutleries for 10 to 20 minutes. 3. Wash it with dishwashing soap after. KC11 Decarbonizing Agent. Removes carbons in pots. How to use. Dilution ratio 200 milligrams per liter. 1. Boil water. 2. Put KC11 with the right dilution. 3. Soak the pots for about 30 to 45 minutes to remove the carbon while the water is boiling. 4. Wash it with dishwashing soap after. KC12 Chlorine powder. Used for sanitizing butchery and receiving areas, cutting boards as well. How to use. Dilution ratio 100 milligrams per liter. 1. Dilute it with normal water and apply it to the floor as well as other areas in receiving and butchery areas to remove bad smell and sanitize as well. 2. After, rinse it properly. 3. For cutting boards, after work, soak all cutting boards for 3 to 5 hours the following morning. Wash it in the dishwashing machine to remove the smell of the chlorine. KC13 Descaler. Scale Rust Grouting Remover. How to use. Dilution ratio 100 milliliters per liter. 1. For dishwashing machine. Use it to remove scales and rust. Remove first the food soil, and after spray the descaler inside the dishwashing machine. Let the dishwashing run twice, and after, use sponge to remove remaining scales and rust, and change the water in the water tank. 2. Remove grouting and rust in the floor. Spray the KC13 to the surface where you want it to remove grouting and rust. Make a contact time of 3 to 5 minutes, and after, use brush to remove it, and rinse properly after. KC14 Drain Deblocker. Remove blockage in the pipe. How to use. Dilution ratio 200 milligrams per liter. 1. Boil water. 2. Put KC14 in the boiling water. 3. And after, put direct to the blockage pipe. KC15 Dishwashing Machine Detergent. How to use. Dilution ratio 2.5 milliliters per liter. 1. Needs dosing system to connect to dishwashing machine. 2. Needs to be calibrated with the correct dilution to have good result. KC16 Dishwashing Machine Rinse Aid. How to use. Dilution ratio 3 to 4 milliliters per liter. 1. Needs to be connected to dosing system to make sure that it will give the correct dosage. 2. It will sanitize as well as help the plates and cutleries make it dry fast.